Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I stand here today not just as Sarah's son, but as a witness to a beautiful love story.
My word of the day is serendipity. From the moment we met, I know my life, our lives took a turn for the better. I just knew you were my forever love. You are my rock, my partner in crime, and the one who somehow manages to put up with me and my craziness. I know marriage isn't all rainbows, unicorns and tiaras, but with you, Sai, I know that even the most stormiest days will be an adventure, and we have the best times together. So here's to us, the love story we are writing together.
You know how I felt when she walked in the room? She took my breath away. It was just, amazing. I can't believe how lucky I am. Sarah, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of our love.
As a symbol of our love.
And as a lasting reminder.
And as a lasting reminder.
Of the vows.
Of the vows.
We have made here today.
We have made here today.
Simon, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of our love.
As a symbol of our love.
And as a lasting reminder.
As a lasting reminder.
Of the vows.
Of the vows.
We have made here today.
We have made here today.
It does give me very great pleasure to say you are now husband and wife, and you may kiss.
My best man, he makes me proud every day, every day.
We've got a new married couple in the room. I think they make a delightful couple, and I'm sure that you all agree.
When I met Sarah the first time, she walked around the corner and a big smile on her face, and I knew she was the one. I just knew it. And it was, we just talked and talked and talked from that day onwards, and it's been perfect. And now we're getting married, and it's, you know, it's like unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. So I'd like to do a toast to my wife, my darling Sarah. I'd like you all to raise your glasses. The most beautiful girl, and I love her dearly.
In all seriousness, I want to take a moment to express my genuine gratitude for my dad. He's the most selfless man I know. So here's to my dad and Sarah. May your days be filled with laughter, love, and for Sarah's sake, less of my dad's dancing.
I'm very happy that my mum found her person to dance with, clean up after, laugh with, hoover up after, and have her person to share the good days and the bad days with.
I'm incredibly happy for both of you. May your journey together be filled with love, laughter and endless happiness. And here's to a lifetime of beautiful memories.
Hi Sarah and Simon, it's Kai here from Strictly Come Dancing. I've heard you're big fans of the show, and I've heard you're getting married at the end of the month. I just want to say the best of luck. Make sure that you have an amazing day and you do an amazing wedding dance, and sending lots of love. And remember, keep dancing. Mwah.
I love you more than my words can ever express, for always.